Hello guys, how are you doing? So in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to send file from your phone to your laptop using Xender, and also from your laptop to your phone using Xender. So if you're new on this channel, this is Digital Payroll, and over here we talk about ways you can make money online and how to tutorials. So if this is your first time, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. So for you to do this, it's very simple. Just ensure you download Xender on your phone. Go ahead and open Xender on your phone. So now this is open right here. So the next step you want to take is you clicking on your Wi-Fi and turn it on. So once this is done, then next step is for you to come to this plus button right here. Can you see? So click on the plus button, then click on connect to PC. Can you see that? So over here, they said you should set up your GPS. So I'll click on setup right here, and I'll turn my GPS on, and I'll go back. Can you see that? Then they said that you should click on next. So you can see they said I should scan a QR code. So I'll just click on connect to web over here. I don't want to scan any QR code. So the next step is they say you should set up your hotspot. So I'll click on set right here. Then I'll go and connect my hotspot. I'll click on hotspot right here. Then I connect my Wi-Fi to the hotspot. I mean my laptop to the hotspot. So I'll come to my laptop right here and tap on this. So once I tap on this, I'll see my phone hotspot right here, and I'll click on connect. So this is connected, guys. Can you see? So the next thing is for you to go to your laptop browser and input that code you're seeing right there. So I'll come to my Chrome browser right here, and I'm going to put in this code right here. So let's put it in. Are you seeing now? So it says connect PC, accept. I'll click on accept right here. Are you seeing? And I'll click on OK right here. And now right here, I'll click on confirm. Hope you are seeing that, guys. It means we've connected our laptop to our phone using Xender. So now let me show you guys how to send content, how to send files. So for you to send file from your phone to your laptop, just come over here. You can see right here we have images, we have videos, music, documents, apps. So anything you want to send, just tap on it. So I'll just tap on this right here. So assuming I want to send this video, can you see? I just tap on the video itself, and I'll come over here and click on download. So once I click on download, it means I have successfully sent a file or a video from my phone to my laptop. Do you see that? You can also come over here and click on download right here. Do you see that? Very simple. And if you want to send file from your laptop to your phone, that's also very simple. Just come to this upload button right here and click on upload. So once you click on upload, then you get to see all the file on your laptop. So just tap on anyone you wish to upload, then you click on open right here. Once you click on open, I see it is coming in already. So and then boom, can you see it is done sending to my phone? And also that's how you get to send videos or images or whatever from your PC to your phone also. So basically that's how it works. So I believe you now understand how to send file and content from your phone to your laptop. So if you go value watching this video, ensure you like this video, drop a comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.